All right, everybody, so now I'm going to show you some variations on the stop trick. Just some other ways to do it. Once they have their card selected, which is sort of a laugh because they're not really selecting anything, it's always going to be the same card, you can do a few things. If you don't want to have them just say stop, you can ask them their name. So in my case, we'll use my name, Malik, M-A-L-I-K. Now, as I was doing that, I was counting force, odd, force, and I know that I ended up on the queen. And you can just do the same thing that you did with the stop trick. Okay? There's some other ways to do this. You could also have them name a number in advance, you know, any number, let's say from 1 to 10, and they could say 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and because it went force, odd, force, that's the selected card right there. If they give you an even number, you'll end up on one of your odd cards. So let's say we had ended up like that. That would have been 8. Then the force card would have been there. And you can certainly come up with some of your own ideas as well. And I certainly encourage you to be creative and come up with something that matches your style. But that's some variations on the stop trick.